The world is moving towards sustainable materials. The future belongs to biodegradable compounds. Biofillers combine biodegradable polymers with natural renewable materials to produce sustainable compounds for modern manufacturing. The Xtreme Machines Dispersion Kneader provides intensive mixing for uniform filler dispersion, ensuring every particle is evenly distributed throughout the polymer. A closed, temperature-controlled process ensures consistent mixing, protects heat-sensitive biodegradable materials, and delivers high-quality compounded pellets. The final compounds are used to manufacture eco-friendly packaging, compostable carry bags, biodegradable cutlery, food containers, and many sustainable everyday products. Unlike conventional plastics, compostable materials can break down under industrial or suitable composting conditions, helping to reduce long-term plastic waste and supporting a circular economy. Xtreme Machines Kneader-based compounding line, delivering superior performance for sustainable compounding. Proudly made in India.